Words to use instead of very. Very hard to find, rare. Very heavy, leaden. Very high, soaring. Very hot, sweltering. Very huge, colossal. Very hungry, starving. Very hurt, battered. Very important, crucial. Very intelligent, brilliant. Very interesting, captivating. Very large, huge. Very lazy, indolent. Very little, tiny. Very long, extensive. Very long-term, enduring. Very loose, slack. Very loud, thunderous. Very mean, cruel. Very messy, slovenly. Very necessary, essential. Very nervous, apprehensive. Very nice, kind. Very cute, adorable. Very fast, swift.